Hi everyone, welcome back to Zippy Learning. Today we are continuing the exciting topic decimal numbers. So far we have learned how to place the decimal point and perform addition and subtraction with decimal numbers. Now I am taking it one step further with more practice on decimal addition and subtraction. Let's revisit the decimal point. If you consider that rod as your home point, move right, you will get 0 rod, minus 1 rod, minus 2 rod, minus 3 rod, and so on. Consider that place between home point and 0 rod as decimal point. Now let's dive into some decimal addition and subtraction practice. 624.25. This is ones place or home point, tens place, hundreds place. 624.25 plus 115.14. 115, 1 and 5, 15.14 minus 326.49. We have to less 3 from hundreds place. It's not possible to less 3 directly. That's why we need to apply formula. Less a 5, add a 2 to less 3, less 2 from tens place, less 6 from ones place, 0.49. We need to less 4 from 0 rod, but it's not possible to less 4 directly. That's why we need to apply tens complement, add a 6, less a 10, less 9 from minus 1 rod. The answer is 412.9. 412.9. Remember to use the right formulas at the right time. Having a strong understanding of addition and subtraction rules will help you apply them easily. If you still have any doubts, don't worry. You can check out our lessons on formulas shared in the comments and description. And if you still didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Zoom the abacus and let's try another one. 533.51. 533.51 plus 266.15. 266.15 minus 446.78. We need to less 4 from hundreds place, but it's not possible to less 4 directly. That's why we need to apply 5's complements. Less a 5, add a 1 to less 4. Now less 4 from tens place, less 6 from ones place, point, less 7 from 0 rod, but it's not possible to less 7 directly. We need to apply tens complements. Less a 10, add a 3 to less 7, less 8 from minus 1 rod, but it's not possible to less 8 directly. That's why again we need to apply tens complements. Less a 10, add a 2 to less an 8. The answer is 352.88. 352.88. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and learned something. We are coming back soon with an exciting lesson. Thank you for watching.